What if I told you 5 US-listed penny stocks under $5 are showing early signals that big money is quietly positioning behind them, and most retail investors have absolutely no idea? These aren't microcap scams or pump and dumps. These are real companies with real catalysts, real financial momentum, and real developments unfolding right now. And in today's volatile market, ignoring these names could be a mistake you regret months from now. Because here's the truth: when penny stocks move, they don't move slowly. They explode, they collapse, they spike on news, they bleed on bad earnings. But the 5 stocks I'm about to break down each have specific catalysts, fresh volume surges, and improving fundamentals that put them on the radar of traders, analysts, and institutions. And yes, prices change fast in penny stocks, so always double-check before trading. But as of today, here are the current levels. Not financial advice, just research, trends, and signals you need to know. Let's begin with Bitfarms, trading at around $2.94. Bitfarms is one of the most aggressive Bitcoin miners in North America, powered largely by low-cost hydroelectric energy. That means higher efficiency and lower mining costs compared to competitors. As Bitcoin experiences volatility and prepares for its next potential leg up, miners with strong operational efficiency often outperform the market. Recent developments for Bitfarms include expansion of high-efficiency rigs, continuous hash rate growth, and improvements in cost per mined Bitcoin. Volume has spiked recently as crypto traders reposition, and the chart shows growing accumulation. If Bitcoin enters a stronger cycle, miners like Bitfarms could offer 2 to 4 times upside depending on BTC's price trajectory and the company's operational performance. High risk, high reward, but very much alive on traders' radar. Next is Douglas Elliman, currently around $2.75. This is one of the largest luxury real estate brokerages in the United States, with heavy exposure to New York and South Florida. As interest rates decline and mortgage costs ease, luxury markets are beginning to thaw. Transaction volumes are rising, agent retention is improving, and buyer activity in high-end markets is recovering from the 2024 to 2025 slowdown. Douglas Elliman has been building a base on its chart, which often signals a potential trend reversal. New partnerships, digital expansion, and revived buyer demand give this stock a compelling setup going into the next year. If the real estate recovery continues, Elliman could be one of the more overlooked winners under $3. Third is Deswell Industries, which trades around $3.37. Deswell manufactures electronics, plastic components, and consumer gadget parts, things like earbuds, controllers, toys, and audio devices. As global companies shift production away from China and diversify supply chains, Deswell's Macau-based operations become increasingly valuable. Financial filings show stable revenue, improving margins, and a strong balance sheet for a company of its size. Some fair value estimates place Deswell well above $5, giving it meaningful upside. The stock has also shown unusual volume spikes recently, hinting at accumulation by informed traders. This is a classic stealth, undervalued manufacturer that often moves quietly, until suddenly it doesn't. Fourth is Alto Ingredients, trading around $2.56. Alto produces renewable fuels such as ethanol, as well as industrial and consumer-grade ingredients. This stock has been one of the highest momentum penny names in recent months. Strong demand for cleaner fuels, rising attention on renewable energy, and new industrial contracts have fueled a surge in price and trading volume. Earnings have shown improving margins and stronger operational efficiency, which the market has rewarded. Alto recently broke out of consolidation with heavy volume and important technical signal. With energy markets tightening and sustainability trends accelerating, Alto is positioned to benefit from both short-term momentum and long-term industry transition. Finally, Hive Digital Technologies, currently around $3.26. Hive is one of the most unique companies on this list because it sits at the intersection of Bitcoin mining and AI-driven digital infrastructure. The company uses renewable energy to mine Bitcoin and is expanding its high-performance computing capacity to support AI workloads. Hive recently reported mining 290 Bitcoin in November, up 182% year over year, and boosted its hash rate to 23.5 exahash per second. A major investment firm raised its price target to over $6.40, signaling strong institutional confidence. As both AI and Bitcoin continue to trend, Hive's dual exposure gives it explosive potential. So let's recap. Bitfarms is a powerful high-efficiency crypto miner positioned for Bitcoin's next move. Douglas Elliman is a recovering real estate brokerage benefiting from declining rates and rising luxury demand. Deswell is an undervalued supply chain manufacturer with improving fundamentals. Alto Ingredients is a renewable fuels momentum play with strengthening earnings. And Hive Digital is a hybrid AI and crypto infrastructure company showing major operational growth. These stocks are not guarantees, but they are high-potential penny plays with real catalysts developing right now. Remember that penny stocks move fast, so double-check current prices, review earnings, look at charts, and manage risk wisely. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more daily stock updates, hidden gem penny stocks, crypto moves, gold trends, and market analysis. The biggest opportunities often appear before the crowd notices, so stay informed, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.